Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust display brightness on laptop. Okay, I'm using my Dell Precision 7740 and Windows OS 11. Okay, Windows 11 OS, and you can see here there is three connected icons like charging, volume, internet. Okay, click on that, then you will get this pop-up window. Okay, so here you can see there is two options. One is volume, second is brightness. So you can simply click here, then drag like this. You can simply adjust uh, the intensity of display. So in this way, you can simply adjust the brightness from here. Otherwise, you can do one more settings is here. Click on start menu, then go to settings. Okay, then go to display. Then you can see options is here, display resolution and something. And also you can see the first option is brightness. Adjust the brightness, the inbuilt display. Okay, so this is only work with inbuilt display, and there is no other options. And you can change brightness based on content. That means on battery, on charging, always off, on battery only. So there is multiple settings here, and you can simply click this one to adjust the brightness. So that's guys. In this way, you can simply adjust your laptop brightness. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my reply size video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.